everyone. Everyone, very good evening. Here, hello, everyone. We are starting this event today. The mega display is started now. It's 4. We are going to, I think around 1.5 hours we are going to run the show. Okay? So we will be coming from the A row and till the end we will go. So everybody has to show that everybody definitely is doing their product. They have already showcased their product. But only thing is this, you have to explain what all products you are doing it, and it will be what is your forte, what are you into, and what is your company name. So only for 2 minutes. 2 minutes? 1 minute. Short brief. You all need to give a brief of around 1 minute. We will be coming to you all people one by one. So you have to tell us the brief. So the people who is in the everybody is listening. But apart from that, we will be taking a video for the same. So the link will be shared to all the CGI members. So let all the people know about like what all you all people do. Okay. So we are starting with the A row and we will be coming till the end. Okay. So please start. We will be starting. So please. Be ready for 1 minute presentation of your company, your detailed products and everything. Thank you.
We are starting with the video display coming from the A row in the next 5 minutes. All the participants request you all to please come to your stalls. जो लोग बैक साइड में खा पी रहे हैं आके अपने स्टॉल पे प्रेजेंस कर लीजिएगा. The display has started officially. And once the camera comes near your stall, we request you to keep your stall name also visible so that we can capture that. We'll have a small introduction done so that the members who are not present also can see this video and get a gist of the items that you all are having on your stall. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Mehul Rathod. I'm from Bunch. Bunch is basically an app where you can find catalogs of all the major brands in the country in a single platform, and we can help you connect with all the brands in the country. Thank you very much.
Now we have Augusta Corporation.
Hello everyone, can I get 2 seconds of your attention please? We are into manufacturing of plastic and melamine tableware. We have a range of household products, range starting from 30 to 3,000 rupees. Please visit us, thank you.
Anand Enterprise.
Hi everyone, this is Anupur from Anand Enterprises. We are into manufacturing of watches. We are also doing combos. We are also into manufacturing of healthcare products. So you can visit us, we can help you out. Thank you.
For all your needs of the home, your bunch needs and also for your watch needs, visit the stalls in the first row, that is Anand Enterprises, Agastya Corporation and Air Commerce LLP.
नहीं, इसका नाम change है. Om Creations with us. Mr. Raj from Om Creation.
Good evening friends, this is Raj here. We are into corporate union from more than 23 years. We are based in Vijayawada. Our main products are McAfee and Watching Company. And we deal with all non-farm companies and all. Thank you so much. Do visit our store for further references.
Now the very famous of CGI, Mr. Kirti Vahik. He is from Hariyan Mills and he is into all sublimation product. Just look at the product, it's like a wow. Just a second.
Hello everyone. We are from Aryan Gifts. We manufacture mouse pad, table pads, tea coasters, lot of tabletop ranges, mainly for pharma and pharma. We share the catalogs.
And now we have A1 Leather Works and Mr.
Hello everyone, I'm Sai. I'm representing A1 Leather Works. There are all types of manufacturing of leather and non-leather
products. Thank you. Now we have Arc Creations from Mumbai.
Hello everyone, we are Arc Creations from Mumbai. We do manufacturing of all kinds of bags and other promotional items like bag holders, wall hangings, telecoms, and any requirement to get bags.
Okay, now take off CGI, classic theme, Sheetal Bhai stop. Why Sheetal Bhai? Sheetal Bhai, please, you have to explain.
Welcome to CGI Display. Thank you, Rita madam.
Please, I don't know, you have to explain.
For your requirements of Adidas products, visit Classic Themes.
Please do visit Classic Games for complete range of Adidas products. And currently we are also displaying our new range of FIFA series. Thank you.
The FIFA series by Adidas is on display. Do visit the stall here in the C room. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next stall is Chocolate, represented by Rupali.
Rupali madam is on the way. Now,
She is the queen of chocolates. So for your chocolate requirements, you can visit Chocolate in the C room. Thank you.
Bright Industries.
We now move on to Bright Industries in the B row.
Tata
They are distributors for Tata. You have all kinds of ceramics. You have Savlon, Engage perfumes, all products of Savlon on display. Also Bombay Dye. So do visit Bright Industries for your requirements of any Tata company related goods. Also you can see VIP bags there. Thank you. Next in line is Billion Bex. The brand Grove is on display here for all your pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical needs. They have also the Hydrate Spark bottle, which is a revolution in itself. So visit Big Impex Grove. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dinesh from Maharani Industries. We are the leading manufacturer of sticky note pad. We can customize any kind of sticky notes in multicolor, single color, four color printing, and in any shape. We can make sticky note pad in from 1 by 1 inches size to A4, A3 size sticky note pads, and we can also customize gumming area as per your requirements. Thank you.
Now we have Hero, Mr. Samir Jain stall.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम ओम प्रकाश, बीओम ब्रांड से अभी हूँ। 10 साल से बीओम ब्रांड के अपना बोला कि वैक्यूम, नॉन वैक्यूम, ऑल आर रेडी स्टॉक, 5000, 10,000, 3,000, ऑल वेराइटी और डिफरेंट। थैंक यू।
Now we have Bafna promoters, Mr. Tejraj is here.
Jai Jendra Pranam, I am Tejraj from Bafna Promoters and we are into corporate gifting. We do keychains, pen stands, wallets and all the button badges also and metal badges also. If any requirement, let me know. Thank you so much.
Private Limited.
Hi. This is Anuja from Cosmic Products, and we are manufacturer of hand wash, sanitizer, wet wipes, dry wipes, and we are into like corporate gifting, OEM, and we have our own brand bees. And our simple principle is like make available good quality products at the reasonable rate. So please do visit our store. Thank you.
Next we have in line Creative Awards and Rewards.
मेरा नाम है राजेश, मैं क्रिएटिव अवार्ड से हूँ। हम लोग ऑल टाइप अवार्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं और ये सब का इंटरनेशनल ट्रॉफी हम लोग ने बनाया है।
We have Creative Awards and Rewards who are also into 3D painting, metal badges and a lot of variety of trophies. Thank you.
Now we have Donato Styling Products, Mr. Rehul.
Wow. Yes, this is Wow Perfumes. We manufacture perfumes. It's our own in-house manufacturing. 50 years of experience. We bring fragrances for affordable price and imported quality. That is our mission, that we will make perfumes for daily use. So you can, these are excellent for gifting because they create long-term memories. When you gift a perfume to anyone, they will use it for at least 3 to 6 months. And they will remember you every time they use our perfume. So remember Wow Perfumes. Thank you. This is Mehul Bhai from Wow.
For some wonderful fragrances along with good packaging, you have Wow Perfumes here. which is truly looking wow. Thank you, all the best.
Now we have Mr. Ishwar from Krishna from Ekmatra Technology.
Hi everyone. So Ekmatra is basically a B2B platform for corporate gifts. Our current business model is such where we are focusing on the reseller community. So we are working with approximately 4,000 plus corporate gifting companies pan India right now, and with over 800 plus SKUs in stock. So connect with us, download our app and use our website www.ekmatra.store.
Thank you, thank you.
For your electronic needs, visit Ekmatra. Thank you.
Now we have with us Mr. Jitendra Popat. He is from Fillings Guild.
Good evening everyone. We are into manufacturing of pricing products. Anything related pharma, we have to resist or gifting में गणपति है, candles है. So basically decorative items and home decor items. Thank you.
For any war related items, visit Feelings Gifts. The people with royal feelings. They are also into electronic items. So do visit them in the F-Room. Mobile accessories by the name of iTouch and Feelings Gifts. Thank you. Okay. Now we're in the F-Row, we have Library Gourmet. We see some wonderful packaging along with some good products on display here. Ma'am, please introduce your company.
Hi, the brand name is Library Gourmet. We are a clean label healthy snacking brand that's into premium dry fruits, sugar-free berries and vacuum fried vegetable chips.
For all your dry fruit requirements and those with the sweet tooth, you can visit Flyberry. We have a good range of products displayed along with some really good corporate packaging. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Now we have Coras India, Mr. Manoj Bhai. He is one of the director of CGI and one of the very active member of CGI, and he has his own brand Coras India. Please do visit his stall, Coras India.
I am into corporate games. We are dealing with handicrafts items. All type of handicrafts we have. It's a Binakali work and other work. Even though we have some item in acrylic and plastic also. Please do visit at our stores.
For your handicraft needs and Binakali works, all your antique requirements, do visit Coras India, Mr. Manoj Bhai. We also have some pictures here.
Definitely.
From the kids to the epic kids. Thank you.
Now we have Karan Innovation stall where Mr. Karan will explain what he does in this form.
Hello friends, I am Karan Joshi from Karan Innovation, metal keychains, paperweights manufacturer, and this time this Diwali Rangoli and Lakshmi Ji Yantra also is. Thank you very much. Please visit the store.
Thank you, Karan. Kampa Supply Solutions.
Hello everyone, we are from Kampa Supply Solution. Our brand name is Fellow and we are basically into ergonomic range of footrest, backrest, neckrest, travel pillow, laptop stand and company. And we do for pharma as well as non-pharma companies also. So do visit us.
Thank you. And we will introduce this product right now.
Hello everyone, myself Sagar Shah from Genix Cooperative. So we are a one-stop solution for gift combo sets with not many varieties and colors, combinations, and the ready stock thing, that's our USP. Anytime around the year you can get ready stock from our product list. Second is our metal pens, which This is also followed by a ready stock solution and many color options available. So one stop customized and for purchase Thank you.
A wide range of ready-made sets and metal pens. Visit Gen X Corporate Gifts. We are in the J round now.
All the way from Delhi, Jagdamba Cutlery Limited, Mr. Sri Kansul will be introducing his products right now.
Hello, my name is Sri Kansul. I'm from Jagdamba Cutlery Limited. The kitchenware products manufacturer. We do cutlery, utensils, cookware, pencils, and paper products. So we are a one-stop solution for all your cookware and cookware needs. We have over 10,000 SKUs worldwide, meaning that your retail or corporate needs, think of Jagdamba.
Thank you. And Ronak will introduce his products. Thank you.
Hello. Hi everyone. We are KSI. We are an artisanal tableware brand. We are here for your premium gift options basically. We are based out of Bombay and we deal into handcrafted products but into contemporary style. Thanks.
Thank you, Ronak.
Now we are at Ideal Corporate Gifts, headed by Rita Madam, the hamper company, the specialist in all your Diwali requirements, also stress balls, which are unfortunately not displayed here, surprisingly. So Rita Madam, you take over from here, please.
This year we are coming up with all the new variety of hamper, Diwali hamper. You can gift it to anyone, to your near one, your officers, to the pharma people, to everyone. The range starts from 350 onwards. And please do visit and check the varieties of the product. And please taste and let me know how do you find it. Thank you. Thank you, Rita. Will be Lebo Instant Hand Sanitizer and Mr. Krunal will introduce his product about hand sanitizers and all. So,
hi, very good afternoon to everyone here. We are basically from hand sanitizers Lemon. Lemon is a brand. We come up with hand sanitizers in the gel form and the liquid form. We have come up with foaming hand washes. This is working very good. The foaming comes up with really good cleansing. We have toilet seat sanitizers. We come up with the shower gel. We have body mist sprayers. A range of products that goes into your clinic and corporate gifting. Looking forward to everyone's participation and looking forward to collaborate here.
Thank you so much.
Next in line we have Trans Creations, the specialists in uniforms and PVC items, but on display they have something very unique.
On the display, we believe, as you already described, that we are into corporate uniforms and customized silicone products and rubber products. But in display, rather, I guess everyone knows about these products and we have more varieties, so it would better to share on WhatsApp. So we believe, काम तो रोज करते हैं, आज कुछ मीठा हो जाए. So we are here to share a Cadbury Dairy Milk with everyone. So everyone can please come and have a Dairy Milk with us.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Next in line is Kumar Peripherals, the owners of the brand Artis, a wide range of electronics products, a name of repute. Can we have your introduction, sir?
Thank you, Pawanji. A very good evening to all and all the best for the coming gifting season. We are from brand Artis, myself Kunal Shah and my colleague Mr. Ashutosh Saxena. And we are a 35-year-old IT peripheral company and with a wide range of Bluetooth speakers. And music is something which is loved by everyone and everyone loves to have a gift from music. Please visit our stall. We have all the products displayed here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
For some melodies, you can visit Artis.
Thank you.
Moving ahead.
So we are going to visit right there are mind-blowing products that are displayed and quality product from premium quality product from Turkey. So Mr. Muzaffar will take it over.
Hi, my name is Mirza Muzaffar. I am from Living Lifestyle Private Limited Company. We have some premium quality products. Hello. Hi, my name is Mirza Muzaffar from Living Lifestyle Private Limited Company. We have some premium quality products. Please visit our shop.
For a lovely range of cutlery, visit Living Lifestyle. Some beautiful range of Diwali cutlery is available here. Visit them in the L Road. Thank you. All the best.
So here we are at Lisa Industries, and they deal into all sort of household products. So Mr. Jitendra will take it over and talk about this product.
Hello, Namaskar. Lisa Industries manufacturing of household items as is tableware, casseroles and recorders, gift items, dry fruit candies and sports items. More than 700 products. Please visit. Thank you. Jai Jitendra.
Thank you so much, sir. So, and all of the shirts and t-shirts. So Mr. Raja will take it over.
Thank you very much. Namaskar. Good evening. Vande Mataram. We have a range of Arrow, US Polo and flying machine for distribution in the West Zone. Some of the interesting products that I would like to talk about, which are not yet so much available in the market, are the innerwear categories. We have the innerwear categories which we are displaying here. So far they have not gone anywhere as gifts. So this is one new article. In the case of jackets, we have displayed only two, but we have a variety of jackets available and in various designs and styles they are available. In the case of t-shirts, we have kept a full range of colors and they are available with us, whether it is flying machine, Arrow or US Polo. And in case of Arrow shirts, we have maintained three varieties. We have one variety which is F1 coated, unstainable, which is receiving good response, and in the standard entry level we have brought in some new colors. We have here a color which is called Turkish green. So far it was not available for corporate sales, but now we have it available, and the other color that we have brought in is the lemon yellow. So I would like to tell all the members that whenever you think of fashion, whenever you think of color, whenever you think of style, think of us. This is Raja Bhai calling from Market News. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the introduction. Lovely introduction, sir.
For a premium brand like US Polo, Arrow, as well as
Yes.
Flying machine.
Flying Machine. Visit Market Movers in the M Row. Thank you.
Into all sort of laptop and computer accessories. So Rashi will take it over and she will introduce about her products and all.
Hello everyone, so we are from Ashri & Company and we deal with laptop and computer accessories most widely used in the corporate offices. We have products like laptop sleeves, laptop bags, then gaming keyboards, common keyboards, Bluetooth speakers and a lot more. We have around 3,000 products and you all can visit us. Thank you. Thank you.
Your good name?
Nilesh.
Nilesh.
I'm
And would you like to-
representing Kavit City, sir. Kavit City. Kavit City.
Now we have Mayor Lady Kavit. Mr. Kavit Chetty is not there. Is sales executive. He will take it over.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nilesh. I'm representing Kavit City. We are into the watches like Titan, Fastback, and Rolex also there. We have now smart watches with the Fastback smart watches. We are 24-year experience. Kavit City sir have and we have other brands also, Firebolt, Noise. Thank you everyone. Do visit our shop.
Thank you so much.
Kamya is the brand name.
Yeah.
That is the company name.
This is Plug and Play Biosciences. We have a brand called Kamya.
So
This is
you
into
are
organic.
at Plug and Play Biosciences Private Limited. The brand name is Kamya and Mr.
Dhruvesh.
Dhruvesh will take it over and introduce about this products and all.
Hi, good evening one and all. I'm Dhruvesh from Plug and Play Biosciences Private Limited. We are a Singapore-based startup company. we have certified organic cosmetic products. We have handmade soaps, therapeutic grade essential oils and cold-pressed oils. Please do visit our website mykamya.com and you can visit our store. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rohit. Corporate Newgen India, Mr. Nirmal in front of us. So let him introduce his company.
Hi everybody. We are the distributors of Swiss Military and we have put a very few limited products on display. So this is the cable size bag which we are offering at a very fantastic price. There is a saying Raste Ka Mal Saste Mein, and we have got mall on Raste Mein. So there is a double bed bedsheet with 2 pillow covers at 400 rupees plus GST. It's 100% cotton. So request everyone to please visit our stall, and yes, यहाँ जितने भी brands हैं मैं सब बेचता हूँ, तो please you can approach me as well. Thank you.
That's great.
This is the catalog, the range of products available at Newgen India.
The Nirmal ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Creations, Mr. Rajesh Gupta ji saw, and Mr. Bilu will take over.
Hi everyone, we are into Neha Creation, we are into the corporate business last from the 25 years. We have a Noto and Puma exclusively for the West Zone. Do visit our stalls. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
For your requirements of sportswear in the brands of Puma and Lotto, visit Neha Creation in the end row. Thank you. All the best. We have a wide range of electronics displayed here. Sir, please introduce yourself and the company. And welcome to CGI.
Thank you so much. Neeraj Shah from Media Enterprises. We are our core business is books, music and movies. We are the authorized corporate partner from the board in Saregama. Apart from these, we also have Amazon, Google and Lenovo smart devices. Please do reach out to us for your requirement of any of these brands. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj ji.
And we are having a very wide range of electronic kitchen and outdoor appliances. And these are all warranty for 1 year, direct imported by us. And we are also online. We are in the retail market and as well as various pharmas, banks, LICs and FMCG companies and all that. Well, we can give you very attractive prices. So, well, all the best, and we are under the name of Orbit. Orbit is our own brand.
Over there. So, Tejan will be introducing.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Tejal from iGlory Fragrances. We have wide range of perfumes from fine, fresh and Arabic. More than 60 perfumes we have for every occasion in event. You can visit our store. Please come and visit for more references. Thank you.
We have all the printing solution with Prerna Perfect Print. We have Mr. Uday ji is one of the director of the Prerna Perfect Digital. So just a second, let him introduce his company.
Hello everyone. We are Prerna Perfect Print. We are located in Goregaon. So we basically we have a UV machine. You can print on any surface and round printing also we can do. So please do visit our stall. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Uday ji. Thank you. ये अपना स्टॉल भी लेके बैठा है कभी ना उसका नहीं है लगा रहा है ये ऑलरेडी कैप्चर्ड 2 स्टॉल्स
एक सेकंड के बाद वीडियो चालू
It's a royal collection, Mr. Jigar Singhania. So he is one of the very brand from US. UCB brand. He promote and just let take it over to him, and he will introduce what is his product and other range.
So, good evening to everyone, to every CGI member. So, after being to CGI, we have got multiple brands, and
if you see this, this noise is made into V shape. So we all together. If we all are together, we will succeed in every business we can. And we have a wide range of exclusive brands: Peloton, Skechers, Noise, Wipro, Flow. मुझे डर था मैडम ले जाएगी. तो thanks God. I mean, visit us. Let's do business. साथ में करते हैं. बाकी ब्रांड भी करते हैं. ऐसे नहीं है. We welcome each and every brand to partner with us. We are open with warm and big hands. Thank you.
By the way, Jigar, V stands for victory also. Yeah.
So, being a weekend, wear your United Benetton clothes, wear Skechers, and roll and rock with Noise. See you at Royal Collections in the R row. Thank you.
Thank you, Jigar.
Now we are RS Associates. अरे बोलो.
सरजी नाव करके सरजी को लाइट
एक मिनट बोलो RS Associates.
Here we are at RS Associates and
सरजी को लाइट
Mr. Sunil Sethi from RS Associates for all your requirements for in-clinic and pharma-based items. He's in the R row, Mr. Sunil Sethi ji.
आप इंट्रोडक्शन कर लोगे? नहीं चलेगा
Next in line we have the Chocolate Kings, Ruchoks in the R row. A wide range of Diwali crackers already here. Over to you, Dinesh bhai, please introduce.
Ruchak, we don't need an introduction.
Hello, a very good evening to one and all present here. So here we are looking at a brand Ruchoks, which is a one-stop shop for all your Diwali gifting. And as you know, we are also known as the concept gifting champions because we have our patent products over here called the chocolate crackers available in multiple different flavors. And we have a lot of other designs like the Rangoli hamper, lantern hamper. So this is like perfect gifting for Diwali. Also not forgetting, we have dry fruits, a very wide range of all flavor dry fruits from our brand Nuka, which is a healthy snacking brand as well. And recently we have also opened a bakery in Hiranandani called True Bakes. So here, this is the one place you can visit for every Diwali or any other occasion gifting. So you have a look over here. There are a lot of premium hampers as well. So please visit us in the row R and let us know for any of your customizable, any kind of gifting options. Thank you.
So here we are at Rustic Blends India. So dedicated to Sharda. So Sharda will be introducing product and product range. So please take over now.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Sharda Bhatia from Rustic Blends. I'm Sharda Bhatia from Rustic Blends. And we are into handcrafted products, accessories and apparels and textiles made by rural artisans. So if you all are looking for any kind of sustainable gifting solutions, you can come here and take a look. All our products are made by rural artisans and self-help.
And is it eco-friendly?
Yes, they are eco-friendly.
So that is the USP?
Using natural materials, so we don't use any synthetics and we are a vegan brand also.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Basket.
Sakawa Innovators, they produce company Remax and the products are wonderful.
Yeah, hi, Greeley from Sakawa Innovators. This is our all our products under the brand name of Remax. All these products are available on Amazon. And for more details, you can log on to our website. It's remax.in. It's a one-stop destination for all your gifting and corporate needs. Please visit our website, remax.in.
Thank you, sir.
We have Kuzo, Haman, Hapilo, and Dr. Oil with
For your multi-brand requirements, visit True Global. They have a wide range of electronic items under the brand name of Puzo. We have t-shirts in the brand name of Human, also some dry fruits in the brand name of Happy Flow, and we also have Dr. Towels in the brand name of Essential. You have in campus also Happy Flow. Visit True Global Brands in the T room. Thank you.
Shubham will be introducing himself and his product pitch. Thank you.
This is Shubham Shah. My company's name is the Corporate House. We have offices in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Gujarat, Pune. So we have different brands under our Corporate House. Brand Hamilton offering up, we have an exclusive distribution for Mumbai and Gujarat. Thank you very much.
Introduce your company, Rare Rabbit and all. It's okay. I can explain if you want.
Shamil Bhai is a king of pen, and you can see all the variety of pen, plastic, metal, all designer pens, doctor's pen, everything is just on the please visit Submarine stall.
Thank you for the compliment, and I would invite everyone on the floor. Can I get that attention over here? Great, thank you. So what I see from here is, see, we have a wide variety of pens. You can see the entire range over here. From 5 rupees to 1000 rupees, you can opt for everything, anything you want. Now what you can see over here is a watermark pen. So आपका brand हो या आपकी एक गिफ्ट देना हो, हमारे पास आइए, उसको पर्सनलाइज कराइए और सामने दीजिए, आपको फीडबैक भी बहुत तगड़ा मिलेगा. Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much. Thank you, us. For all your Diwali, Puja Thali and all your requirements, come to us, visit him at Silver Glow, Astro.
Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Puneet Jain from Silver Glow. We are the manufacturers of silver plating gift articles and all sort of plating products from last 25 years. So do visit, support us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Clothing company, and Mr. Mukesh will be introducing about his product range, about the t-shirts and caps and all. So, take it over.
Hi everyone, myself Mukesh Bhatti from Organic Clothing. We are into manufacturing into t-shirt, jackets and hoodies. Our brand name is called AWJ Spark and 6 degree. Also we have ready stock of new quantity. Note them ATS.
Thank you, Mukesh.
On the way.
क्या नरेश जी को 4 बजे का टाइम देना तो 6 बजे. Welcome kid. No need to introduce him. People वाले लोग सब जानते हैं. Welcome kid, Mr. Naresh Jain. He is on the way, but his representative will explain about his products.
Hello everyone. Houseware, thermoware, glassware, and oven, and non-stick item all included here.
Thank you. And very young entrepreneur, Mr. Pranay, please take it over.
Yeah, hi, I'm Pranay from Sec Technologies and Clear Solutions. So we focus on cutting-edge electronics and groundbreaking designs for all our products. All our products are very carefully thought of, and each part, and even the sound or the light and everything, we take care of every minute detail. Please visit our stall to see our products. Thanks.
Definitely, I'm leaving you definitely. I'll come here, Pranay.
His company, what all products he does.
Yeah, good evening everyone. I'm JJ. I'm from Icorets Private Limited, the brand name. So get fit, come to us, and we are the official merchandise for merchandising partner for Mumbai Indians. We are the official merchandise partner for Mumbai Indians.
We are brand for all your requirements for sports. Do visit the store Blue Tree Solutions. Nutrition, with us Mr. Karan Shah, who is here, and he will introduce his company Vayona once again.
Hi everyone, myself Karan here. So basically at Vayona we have a range of products across related to electronics and technology. I would like to introduce the stands which we have ranging from laptop to iPads to mobiles. We have a range of stands. The one product that you should be focusing on when you are visiting my stall is the GPS tracker device, which is basically used for tracking your children. As a parent, you can track your child using this beautiful device. Do visit our stall. It's right at the corner, at the center. Thank you.
Thank you, Karan. Now we have from Casablanca, we have Sashanki. Please introduce your company and look at the feel. Please do visit the stall and take a feel of the t-shirt. It is so amazing, like no words. Mr. Sashank, please take it over.
Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Shashank from Casablanca Apparels. We're in the business of manufacturing t-shirts. We stock over 10 lakh t-shirts ready with us. So at any given point of time, you have an urgent requirement, we should be able to fulfill it. We have over 50 colors to offer in ready stock, which I think is one of the largest palette, at least for now. Thank you.
So we loved your presentation of colorful t-shirts. Thank you so much.
And all the printing needs will be fulfilled also. Please do visit the stall Casablanca.
Good evening everyone. I am Ashish Shah here. We are into manufacturing of premium corporate attire and menswear. So range we have all kind of products in formals, t-shirts, shirts, suits, everything, and all that made to order. So everyone has having pen that customer requirements is for made to order. So we can solicit all your requirements under one roof. Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ashish Bhai. Mr. Mohit Solanki is in front of us. Please introduce your company.
So, my name is Mohit Solanki. Hello everyone. And my company name is Blue Green. So, we are making a plantable paper product. Yes, you heard right. Plantable paper products. All are eco-friendly products. And many products you will find never seen before kind of. We have products something called as plantable firewalls. So firewalls which don't pollute, but it will grow into a plant. So please do visit our stall to see plantable firewalls for these Diwali. Yeah.
It's lovely concept and keep growing, keep planting.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Cindy.
So around 5:30 we will wind it up.
टेस्ट बदलेगा, सोच बदलेगी। जो तूने कहा था कि मैंने कहा है। थोड़ा देर में बड़े वाले पॉकेट में डालना पड़ेगा।
Directors, my committee members, the existing ones, and all those who are taking part in the election to please come in the front. All the committee members, the existing ones, the directors, and also the new committee members who are there in the voting part to please come in the front near the stage area. We begin the AGM in the next 5 minutes, please. This is the last and final call. We begin the AGM meeting in the next 5 minutes. All those who are there in the display area are requested to please pack up fast and be here. Thank you very much.
Good evening to all the members, Board of Directors, Committee and other associates of Corporate Gifts Association of India. So may I have your attention please? I, Ms. Kanchi Kotak, Head Executive of the Secretarial Department of BD Vasani and Company, Chartered Accountants, welcome you all to the 9th Annual General Meeting of Corporate Gifts Association of India. Please everyone, can you settle down? Please have your seats.
Guys, requesting everyone to please take the seat. There are a lot of chairs available. The AGM has begun. Please settle down. Requesting everyone to please grab a seat. Please sit down, guys.
I would like to start with the national anthem. I request everyone to stand up.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उच्चल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की
Thank you. So the directors present are Dr. Manoj Mehta, Mr. Sheetal Shah, Mr. Nalin Shah, Mr. Jaideep Chaugal, Mr. Ravi Kukreja, Mr. Sunil Asrani. I request all the said directors to come over the stage. To put your phones on silent, so we shall start now. Quorum is present. We shall now begin the annual general meeting. We have the annual report for the financial year 21-22. We will be taking up reading the notice and agenda of the annual general meeting.
Thank you everyone.
भारत माता की
The chairman for the meeting shall be Mr. Sheetal Shah. So, yeah, thank you. I request you to come and join us. I will start with the notice which was given. Notice was hereby given that 9th annual general meeting of the members of CGAI was to be held at a shorter notice on Saturday, 24th September 2022 at 6 p.m. We'll start with the ordinary business to receive and adopt the audited balance sheet as at 31st March 22 and the income and expenditure account for the period ended on that date and the report of the directors and auditors thereon. आई रिक्वेस्ट इफ आपको किसी को भी कुछ ऑब्जेक्शन या एक्सेप्टेंस भी है तो हाथ ऊपर करिए. ओके? एक्सेप्टेड? एक्सेप्टेड. Second was to appoint a director in place of Mr. Sunil Kumar Asrani, having its DIN number 0974 6197, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Accepted?
Accepted.
To appoint a director in place of Mr. Jaideep Arvind Chauvel, having its DIN number 02477130, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Accepted. Yes. And for special business is to elect the committee members and office bearers. I request actually Manoj sir to handle the rest.
We received 8 nominees and you have to select 7 candidates for 5 posts. So I will request all nominees, please come on the stage. I will take name. Samit Jain, Mr. Samit Jain. I think he is not well. He is not well. Samit bhai is not well. So Mayuresh Jaisinghania. Rita Saha. Shivani ji. Mr. Bafna. Mehul ji. Karan ji. And Amit Narsana. So first thing is, I will ask every candidate, what is your vision about CGI and why you contested? Just please one by one.
Good evening, CGI family. My name is Amit Narsana from Dhruv Enterprise. I am a proud member of CGI since the last 5 years. I have participated in a lot of events. We have been one of the organizing committee members. And my vision for CGI is that I see the gifting industry, maybe right now it's in a challenging phase, but yes, when it grows, and as it grows, we need to stay together and face the challenges and collaborate with each other. That's my vision for CGI. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Mehul Rathod. I want to be part of this board specifically because there are a lot of tech-related advances that we can do as an association for ourselves with checking on best practices from other major associations and implementing here, because right now, for example, we were at 400, now we are again at 300. We would expect that CGI as an association should grow from 1000 plus, and we want to find out ways to be able to do that very easily. Right? Thank you.
Hello members, my name is Karan Joshi. I am from Karan Innovation. I am a committee member from last 5 years, and I think the work speaks better than me. So this year also I am nominating myself. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Shivani this side from A2P Gifting Solutions Private Limited. Well, I am a very family person. When I joined CGI, I never knew that I'd get a new family here. So I just want to extend my hand towards helping you all, helping my family to grow and myself also for my growth. Thank you so much and looking forward for your votes.
नमस्कार, मैं मयूर हूँ। मेरी कंपनी का नाम रॉयल कलेक्शन है और मेरे 2 बेटे हैं, जिगर और सागर, जिन्होंने मुझे 3 साल पहले मेरा फॉर्म भरा और आज मेरी कंपनी फ्रॉम 3 करोड़ टू 45 करोड़ बनी है। उसका पूरा क्रेडिट CGI को जाता है। CGI के कारण मेरे को नए ब्रांड्स मिले, नए रीसेलर्स मिले, फिर मैं ज्वाइन किया दोनों मैं ग्रो किया, मैं चाहता हूँ कि हमारे साथ सब ग्रो करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हेलो एवरीवन, प्रीता शाह, नाम ही काफ़ी है। CGI में ऑलरेडी 5-6 साल से मेंबर हूँ, प्लस जब से आई हूँ तब से कमेटी में ही हूँ, तो आई एम स्टिल हियर फॉर जस्ट गिविंग यू ऑल द अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू CGI, लाइक माई फैमिली, Sheetal bhai is my brother, and everybody here is in my committee, everybody is like my family to me, and every year I will be definitely giving my best of the best to CGI, and I would like to give my hands again for this year and nominate myself for the CGI committee. Thank you everyone.
Jai Jendra Pranam. I am Tejraj Bafna from Bafna Promoters Mumbai. We are also into corporate gifting business. I am a member from last 5 years and more. My vision for CGI is connect, collaborate, grow and build together. So let's build together as an association. More people, more money, more connections. Thank you so much.
Anybody want to discuss any point? Can discuss. Anyone? I would like to hand over mic to Sheetal bhai for 194R.
TDS 194R सुन के कान पक गए हैं।
ऐसा लग रहा है कोई फिल्म भी बना रहे हैं।
हाँ जी बराबर।
डायरेक्टेड है भाई शीतल भाई। एक्टिंग कौन करेगा?
एक्टिंग चाहिए हुए तो किसी को करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
All are actors.
हमारा एसोसिएशन आप लोग हम सब मिलके उसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ चालू है, कुछ पॉजिटिव सिग्नल्स आ रहे हैं, बट अभी तक हमारे हाथ में कुछ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में नहीं है। पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, बट कुछ पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट 100% कुछ दिनों में हमें मिलेगा। वी ऑल आर ट्राइंग अवर लेवल बेस्ट, बट ये सेंट्रल तक की लड़ाई है, स्टेट होती तो शायद कुछ जल्दी होता था। तो सबको पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, और ऐसे एज ए एसोसिएशन हम जहाँ भी कोशिश होती है, जहाँ भी कुछ चांस मिलता है, हमारे को प्रेजेंटेशन देना पड़ता है, हम दे रहे हैं। इसके लिए भी अब कोई भी इसमें आगे ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो दे प्लीज़ कम फॉरवर्ड। इलेक्शन पोस्ट वो सब ऐसे ही है, काम जिसको भी करना है सब आगे आ सकते हैं, ये स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट है। बाकी जिसको भी काम करना है दे आर ऑलवेज वेलकम, ठीक है। अभी एसोसिएशन में कुछ खट्टी कुछ मिट्टी कुछ होती रहती है मेंबर्स में, बट एंश्योर कि उसकी असर एसोसिएशन पे नहीं पड़े। पर्सनल लेवल पे जो भी है वो निपटा दीजिए। कोई लोग हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक दूसरे को क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, तो प्लीज़ स्टॉप दिस, एक मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है, क्योंकि इसमें ऐसा होता है कि पब्लिक में कपड़े धोने से कोई कपड़े सफ़ेद नहीं हो जाते हैं। जो भी है पर्सनल लेवल पे कर लीजिएगा। जो डिसेंसी हमारे ग्रुप की बनाए रखने के लिए सबको एक रिक्वेस्ट है, और हमारी कुछ गलतियाँ भी कुछ है तो आज ही चांस है, आप हमें ज़रूर बता सकते हो। कुछ भी है तो आपके पास समय है, और अभी हम वोटिंग चालू करते हैं। जो भी प्रॉक्सी है उसका मेल आया है, वो हमने एडवोकेट जो आए हमारे जो ऑडिटर उनको दिया हुआ है मेल के साथ। फिर भी कोई अगर रह गया है तो अभी भी दे सकते हैं। यहाँ बैलेट पेपर है, आर्यन भाई और वो मैडम का नाम नहीं पता है जो बैठे, तो एक के बाद अंशु जी बैठे हैं, तो उनके पास से बैलेट पेपर लेके टिक करवा के आप अंदर डाल दीजिए, ठीक है। एनी क्वेश्चंस प्लीज। बैलेट पेपर पे आपका नाम और कंपनी का नाम लिखना जरूरी है, और सिग्नेचर करना जरूरी है, ठीक है। थैंक यू। वो जो वहाँ आएंगे ना, वहाँ आर्यन भाई भी बैठे हैं, तो कौन मेंबर है नहीं है वो पता चल जाएगा। लास्ट फर्स्ट लिस्ट, खाना खाए बगैर नहीं जाना, एसोसिएशन का पैसा और नेशनल लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए, एक रिक्वेस्ट है, ओके। चलो
मनोज भाई 8 में से 7 सिलेक्ट करते हैं ना? 7 यस।
8 कैंडिडेट है, उसमें से 7 सेलेक्ट करना है।
एक बार ही बोल देती हूँ मैं, 8 मेंबर्स हैं, उसमें से 7 सिलेक्ट करने हैं और वो बैलेट बॉक्स में डाल देना, ओके।
अगर 7 से कम सिलेक्ट किया तो वोटिंग वैलिड है कि नहीं?
आप कितने भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, 7 करना है टोटल, 8 नहीं करना है।
मैक्सिमम 1 से लेके 7 तक।
एक आदमी को 2 बार वोट दे सकते हैं।
हाँ, एक आदमी को 2 बार वोट नहीं दे सकते।
एक आदमी 2 बार
2 बैलेट पेपर लेके दे सकता है ना।
कैंडिडेट से बाकी हाथ जोड़ो भाई।
प्लीज एवरीवन, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, आप लोग वोट यहीं पे करोगे और उधर किधर नहीं जाना है, उधर नहीं जाना है, इधर ही वोट करना है, कोई इधर नहीं देखेगा। हाँ, उधर गए तो इनवैलिड हम लोग समझेंगे।
Requesting all the members who have not casted their votes to please come ahead and cast their votes. The election results will be immediately after the voting, and dinner is being served in the meantime in the next 10 minutes. Jain food is also available. Requesting all to please have dinner. Let's respect food and not waste the same. Thank you so much.
Please, we are closing.
काउंटिंग हो गया है, वोट्स कितने आए थे। मैं डायरेक्टली जो अपॉइंट मतलब जो जिनका नाम आ गया है उनका ही बोल दूँ, जो इलेक्टेड है,
जो इलेक्टेड हुए हैं उनका नाम अनाउंस करें।
थैंक यू। समित जैन, मयूरेश जयसिंघानी, शिवानी मैम, रीता शाह, करण जोशी, अमित नरसना, मेहुल राठौर। That's all. Thank you.
Congratulations to all winners. तेजराज भाई, हम साथ हैं, ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन। एक मिनट, जो भी विनर है ना, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज प्लीज। अमित भाई बैग बुकी ना हो, बैग बुकी ना। अमित भाई बैग लेके ऊपर आ रहे थे कि सीजीआई के पास 72 लाख की डिपॉजिट है, तो बैग लेके ऊपर आए। एफडी है हमारे पास 72 लाख की। मेहुल भाई, हरे कृष्णा।
72 लाख की एफडी है, आप हम लोगों को उड़ा रहे हो या क्या कर रहे हो? हमारे दिमाग में अलग-अलग आइडिया बता रहे हो कि डरा रहे हो?
नहीं, वो अंगूर जैसा है, देख के खुश होने का, उसको 5 करोड़ करने का बस।
इलेक्टेड मेंबर को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। नई कमेटी के लिए प्लीज क्लैप करिए।
Thank you everyone for supporting us. We are here to serve you and looking forward to take CGI way fast and forward. Thank you. Thank you everybody.
Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you दोस्त।
Thank you everyone, and I'm looking forward for the new CGI, which is going to come with all new things coming up with new things. I have got a lot of suggestions from Pawan ji and team Pawan team. Thank you once again.
शिवानी मैम, अभी बस करो।
और थोड़ी इम्पोर्टेंस भी चाहिए थी ना, नाम बुलाया है ना, सबको पता चला ना मैं स्टेज पे नहीं हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर द वोट्स, थैंक यू।
Thank you, यार। Welcome new committee. Vote of thanks.
All the best to all the new committee members. Very best of luck to you all. And तेजराज sir जो है next time वापस हम आएंगे, वापस करेंगे। I would like to extend a vote of thanks to the board of directors, members, committee, organizing team, and all the fellow associates present. Your presence here is a testimony to your interest and support to the association. We see significant opportunities for the growth over the next several years, and we look forward to the next stage of our journey together. Thank you so much.